Hello, welcome to the class of PHP programming language. So today we are going to discuss about the auto increment attribute in MySQL. So here auto increment attribute is used to ensure that every row present in table is a unique. So to do so, we should carefully check the program data and making sure that there is at least one value that differ from any of two rows. So this approach that we are using manually, that we are going to check every row and column that there are unique values. So this approach is error prone, and here is hard to guarantee that there is no error will occur and that there is no duplicate row present in this database. So to do this thing automatically, we will use the attribute name as auto increment. So here a column given this data type will set the value of its content to that column entry in the previously inserted row plus 1. So it will not create the duplicate series in the rows. So to add this, here I am creating a new column name as ID, and with that I am using this auto increment. Like here, for that I am writing alter table name is counter, and here I want to add the new column name is ID, and with that I am representing int, unsigned int, and the value is not null, and the value must be auto incremented if the same value will occur. Increment, and last you have to represent the key. So now press semicolon. So it shows that the command is successfully run. Now to see this, you will use the command that is describe counter. So it will describing that you have created a new column name as ID. With that you have added the data type as int, and the int is unsigned. After that you have created that there is no value in this ID column, and the default key you have added is pre key. We will discuss about these keys, and the extra column you have added the auto increment. So here the first of all the int unsigned, it's make the column takes an integer large enough for us to store more than 4 billion records in the table. After that the not null, it ensures that every column has a value, and many programmers use null in a field to indicate that it doesn't have any value, but that would allow duplicates which would violate the whole reasons for this column existence. So we disallow this null value, so we have to write here no. If you write here yes, it will create the duplicacy in the rows. Next is auto increment. So auto increment is used to set a unique value for this column in every row. Next is the key that we added in the extra. So here this that we added here keys. So it are used to search for a row based on the column. So it will keys are used for the search purposes. So here each entry in the column ID will now have a unique number, with the first starting at 1 and other counting upward from there. So it will if it started with 1, if we create the new ID in this new column with the name as ID, it will use the auto increment option, and it will create counting it as 2, and whenever a new row is inserted, its ID column will automatically be given the next number in the sequence. So in this way we can add the auto increment to reduce the duplicacy of the rows in the tables or of the MySQL. So this is all about auto increment attribute in MySQL. Thank you.